Okay, so next topic natin will be the special products. Special products. Special, yung mga special na kon, special child. So that is the special products. Okay, so there are a couple of special cases where it is easier to find the product of the two polynomials than multiplying each term of the first, each term of the second polynomial. So these are called the special products. So number one na special products natin is tinatawag natin na square of binomial. Okay? So binomial, ibig sabihin that is two terms. Diba? So generally, that is a plus b squared. Okay? If it is a plus b squared, then automatic square of binomial because that is first term, second term, then that is powered by 2. So automatic yan, that is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay? Automatic, i-times 2 natin yung dalawang term. Then the other one, for the negative, a minus b squared, then that becomes a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, so say for instance, meron tayong 4x plus 3y squared. So what is our a? That is 4x. What is our b? 3y. Diba? So therefore, equal sign, our a is 4x raised to 2. Diba? Plus twice, what's the a? 4x. What's the b? 3y. Plus the b squared. So that is 3y squared. Okay? Then simplify. What is 4x squared? 16x squared. Plus 2 times 4, 8 times 3, ilan? 24xy. Plus 3y raised to 2 is 9y squared. So that is your answer. Next. Okay na? Number 2, sample. 2m squared minus 3n raised to 2. Okay? So what is our A? The 2m squared. And our B is the 3n. So using or following the this one, a minus b squared, that is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So what's the value of a? That is the 2m squared raised to 2. Minus, so this becomes also negative. So 2 times the value of a, 2m squared, times the value of b, that is 3n, plus b is 3n squared. Equal sign. So 2m squared raised to 2 is 4m raised to 4. Tama ba? Yung 2, i-multiply natin sa power na 2. Then minus, okay, 2 times 2, 4. Then times 3. That becomes negative 12 m squared n plus the 3n squared is 9n squared. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay, so that is the sum or no, square of binomial. Next is sum and difference of two terms. Number two, the special product is tinatawag natin na sum and difference of two terms. Okay, sum and difference of two terms. Ibig sabihin, pag sum, that's addition. Difference, that is subtraction. So in short, that is A plus B, yan yung sum. Okay? Then multiplied by A minus B, yan yung difference. So pag i-simplify mo itong A plus B, multiplied by A minus B, automatic that becomes A squared minus B squared. Okay? A plus B times A minus B, automatic that becomes A squared minus B squared. So say for instance, meron tayong 5x plus 2y. Ito yung sum, di ba? Multiplied by 5x minus 2y. What is the value of A? Di ba yung A plus B, ito yung 5x plus 2y. 5x minus 2y, ito yung A minus B. So what is the value of A? That is the value of A. This one is the value of B. 5x, that is the value of A. Then this one is also the B. So what will happen is equal sign. What is the value of A? 5x raised to 2 minus 2y raised to 2. Simplify. 5x squared is 25x squared minus 4y squared. Okay, so chicken lang. Next. Number 3. Ano yung number 3? Product of binomials with similar terms. A product of binomials with similar terms. Okay, with similar terms. So this one, example, the general formula, x plus a multiplied by x plus b. So in this case, the x plus a and then multiplied sa x plus b, that becomes x squared plus yung a at saka yung b, i-add natin a plus b x plus magiging a and b. Ibig sabihin, yung factor ng constant natin, if we're going to take the sum or i-add natin, the result must be the middle term. Another one, ax plus b multiplied by cx plus d. What is the result? That is a, yung a at saka yung c, multiply natin, then x squared plus ad plus bc, then x plus ang last term natin. That is the bd. Okay? For example, x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 3. So ito yung nauna. So automatic, that becomes x squared. Ano yung a natin? This one, di ba? The b is the 3. So x squared plus a plus b. So what is a? 2. Plus the b is 3. Multiplied by x plus the ab. So that is 2 times 3. So I simplify. That becomes x squared plus 2 plus 3 is 5x plus 2 times 3 is 6. So that is your final answer. Okay, nakasunod? Okay, next sample problem. Problem number 2. So meron tayong 3x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 1. Take note, meron na tayong coefficient dito. Okay, meron tayong coefficient. So in this case, it follows yung general formula na ito. Ax plus b multiplied by cx plus d. So identify natin. The 3 is the A. Tama? Then the 1, merong 1 yan dito. That is our C. And this one is, that is your B. Then, negative 1 is your D. So in that case, equal sign, AC x squared plus AD plus BC multiplied by x plus BD. So what is the A? That is 3. What is C? 1. Then x squared plus, what is A? 3. The D is negative 1 plus, what is the B? 2. C is 1. Then x plus B, 2. Then D is negative 1. So simplify, 3x squared plus this one. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Then this one is 2. So that becomes negative x minus 2 times negative 1. Diba? That becomes negative 2. So final answer is 3x squared minus x minus 2. Okay, so that is your final answer. Next. Next, special product is tinatawag natin na cube of binomial. Cube of the binomial in which our general formula is a plus b cube. So a plus b cube is equal to 3a squared b. Ano? 3a squared b. Pero pala itong kan. A cube plus 3a squared b plus 3a b squared plus b cube. So you take note, positive ito. So dapat ay positive din tong lahat. Then, a minus b cube. That is a cube minus 3a squared b plus 3a b squared plus b cube. Okay. Sample. 2x plus 3y cube. So meron tayong exponent na 3 or power of 3. So what is our, take note, this is positive. So positive. What is our A? 2x. What is our B? 3y. So we will follow this formula. So equal sign, A raised to 3. So what is our A? That is 2x raised to 3 plus 3a squared. So that is 2x raised to 2 times B. That is 3y plus 3a is 2x plus or multiplied by yung b natin is 3y squared plus b cubed 3y raised to 3. So simplify. 2x raised to 3 is 8x cubed. Diba? 2 times 2 times 2, 8. Then 3 times 2, ano no? 2 squared is 4, di ba? So 4 times 3 is 12. Times 3, that is 36 x squared y plus this one 3 times 2 is 6 times 3 squared. 3 squared is 9. So 9 times 6 is 54 x y squared plus 3y cubed. 3 times 3 times 3 27 y cubed. That's the answer.